Alright, so my name's Ed. I'm here with the Patchogue-Medford Library, and today we're going to show you how to put together your Drawbot kit. This will be available for pickup starting October 3rd while supplies last. So in your Drawbot kit, you're going to get an electric-powered toothbrush, a pool noodle, 3 markers, some pipe cleaners and feathers, a pair of eyes, and 2 rubber bands. And the only thing you need at home is a piece of paper. Alright, so let's get started with making our Drawbot. So the first step, we're going to take our pool noodle and our electric toothbrush, and we're going to place it into the hole that's in the center of the pool noodle, just like so. You're going to want to make sure that you can still access this switch, because that's going to be important later on. The next step is we're going to take our markers, and we're going to put them at the bottom of the pool noodle like this. We're going to make sure that we can get the caps off, because that's going to be how your Drawbot draws. And you're going to make sure that they're on the opposite end of the switch. So the switch is down here. We're going to put our markers down on this end. So holding the markers can be a bit difficult. So if you need help, ask your adult to help you out, because it can be challenging. So we're going to use both our rubber bands to hold our markers on at this end, just like so. And we're going to want to make sure that our markers are in a triangle fashion. This is going to make it so our Drawbot can stand nice and well when he's doing his stuff. So we're going to double up these rubber bands to make sure the markers don't move at all. And again, we're going to make sure that our caps are facing down and they're on the opposite end of this switch here. Alright, so now that we put our Drawbot together, here comes the fun part. We get to decorate our Drawbot. So with the feathers and the pipe cleaners that you get, we can go and we can decorate your Drawbot however you want. I'm going to throw some eyes on mine. Going to give him a little curly Q hair. And you can stick these things right into the pool noodle. So that's how I'm going to decorate mine. And you can decorate yours however you want and make it yours. Alright, so now it's time to get your Drawbot to actually make some drawings. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the caps off of our markers. We're going to get that piece of paper from home. We're going to set them down, and that switch that we have on top, we're just going to turn on. And there they go. So he's going to just run around, do whatever he wants. It's all nice and cool. The way this works is we have our toothbrush up top, and what it's doing is it's vibrating. So it's making it move back and forth very slightly so that we can't see it. But it's enough where it moves him around on these markers enough so he starts making all these cool drawings. And if you see, if I let go of the paper, the entire paper starts to move, and that's how much it's vibrating, and we just don't see it. So if you like this project and want to learn more, you can come down to the library and get books on art and robots, and I hope you enjoyed.